All right, here we go. Time for the Big Berthas. Kathy will do the honors. I think we're gonna combine them. Ooh. Kind of what we do. That's the first door. Let's see what's on Big Bertha's second door. A little lighter. Still tasty. Get a little peek at what's going on in there. Screen number 1. Oh yeah. Nice and fluffy. So nice, so nice. Oh yeah. Perfect. Let's see what we got in the bottom of this Big Bertha. Super decent, super nice. Nice work. All right, let's check Big Bertha number 2. You don't choose the Bertha lint, the lint chooses you. Decent amount, decent amount. Beautiful. We're gonna make one big giant pile. Let's get this thing fired up. See what you can do. Wow. Picking those edges. Pretty thick. Hit these edges. Oh yeah, it's piled in there. All right, time for number 2. Oh yeah. Nice. Not too shabby. All right, let's get this thing shut off. And let's get it put back together. First the screen. Screen number 2. Door number 1. Let me help you out. All right, that's it. Big Bertha number 1 and 2 done. We'll see you soon. Thanks.